Indian cricket legend Sunil Gavaskar has said that he wants to celebrate your World Cup victory by singing a song with you.
I would love to do something.
India win the World Cup. She and I, if she's okay to do that, we will sing a song together. She with her guitar and I will sing a song.
What is that song? What is the song that Jemima's favorite that you would like to sing with Sunil Gavaskar so we can prepare him for it?
Firstly, I just want to take this moment and thank Sunil Gavaskar, sir. For him to say that, I don't know if he realizes it, but for a small girl coming from Mumbai, seeing him and the legendary stuff he's done in cricket and being the cricketer he is and the respect he's earned, for him to say that about me, that he would love to sing a song for me, it makes my heart so happy. And just speaks of the kind of a man he is. He follows women's cricket. He loves cricket. He's always there to help us out and take give us good advice, and at the same time have fun with us. And I think he's a living example of what it's like to be a good human slash legend. So thank you, sir. And I remember we had done a duet at the Naman BCCI Awards. And I remember that moment. Sir came up to me and
Right.
he said that, you play the guitar, why don't you go and sing for us? And I told Sir, I'll sing only on one condition, if you come and sing with me. And I didn't expect him to say yes. I just said it for time pass. But he actually said, yes, I will come. And I was like, what? Are you kidding me? And we both went on stage. We had a band too and sang Kya Hua Tera Wada. But this time I'm excited. I have, got in touch with uh, Rohan Gavaskar, and we are trying to sort out a time because I am here in Australia. I have to immediately leave, didn't get time. But maybe once I'm back, for sure, we will have a song. I've not thought of it, but I would love to do something. Uh, One of the old songs, because I love old Bollywood music, and a fusion with a new song mixed together. And I think that would be great because it's also both our generations combined, but just shows that even though it's two different generations, we are still together and united. So yeah.